Hey guys, my name is Kimberly and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reacting to NCT Wish for the first time. I have never listened to NCT Wish ever. I have no idea what their music sounds like. All I know is that they're like a Japanese subunit, right, of NCT. Yeah. I'm familiar with NCT. I'm a casual listener of NCT 127. Mostly. I listen to NCT Dream sometimes, but usually it's just NCT 127. I do know two members of NCT Wish because I recently watched the Code episode with Kai from EXO, and I think the member's name was Yushi. Oh my god, if I got that wrong, I'm sorry. Him, he was in it, so I'm familiar with his face. There's also another member, Raikou. I'm pretty sure that's his name. He's going viral on Twitter right now, so I do know his face. Um, Other than that, I have no idea what this group sounds like. I don't know if they make cute songs or if they make like more neo type songs like 127. Like, I have no idea. So we're gonna see it today, and I hope I find a group that I like because I need to find more 5th gen groups to stand. um right now, like, obviously you can tell I'm a zeros. I'm a zeros. I also love Boy Next Door, Zykers. I don't know if Anteam counts as 5th gen. I don't know. But yeah, Anteam. So yeah, I'm excited to start watching them. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna look at their member profiles after. Like, but right now I'm just gonna see like all their ages. So their leader is 2002. So he's like the oldest, I'm guessing. Yeah, he's the oldest. And then their youngest is 2007. So he's Eugen's age. Uh, what are 2007s now? 18? 18? Yeah. Yeah, because 06s are 18 turning 19 this year. Wow. So they're all around my age. I'm 2005. So their oldest member's older than me. Uh, who's 2005? Jaehee? Jaehee? But I'm right about them being like a Japanese group, right? Like, because there's Japanese versions. I'm gonna listen to the Japanese versions because those are the original versions. I'm gonna start with their debut, which is called Wish, and then I'm gonna listen to their first comeback. I think this is their first comeback. It's called Songbird. So, let me stop talking. Let's go. I'm sorry. This scene reminds me of Smile too. Sorry. That's so funny. What is happening? Hello? Hello? I was not expecting the song to sound cute from that intro. That's not what I was expecting. Hello? Okay, so they filmed this out of Korea or Japan, obviously. Where? This part. NCT. There's a lot of white people. The styling is so cute. The fish? Hello? Ooh. His vocals. That part reminds me of something. I have a dog too. Okay, bye. Okay, like first impressions though, that was not what I was expecting when the song first started. I thought it was gonna be like, I don't know, not like cutesy. It's cutesy, but then you get to like the NCT Wish part where they're like chanting their name. It's like it goes back to like what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of like 90s. The chorus really, that part really reminds me of like some type of like 90s kind of rap. You know what I mean? If you listen to 90s rap, if you grew up with parents who listen to 90s rap, you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm sorry, my friend just texted me. But yeah, the song overall, I did like it. It was very interesting. Like I said, like at the beginning, it was not gonna give cute, and then it went cute, and then the chorus was like very 90s rap. Like I like that. The members are they're so cute. I really liked the styling. I don't know if that's like they're obviously not trying to make that a key point, but I don't know. I like every single scene change with a different like outfit was really fun. Like I really like it. That's something I really like about the fifth gen. I really like the outfits from fifth gen so far. Like third gen has some really questionable styling. Even fourth gen, even second gen, you know. I quite like fifth gen styling so far. Kind of like fresh, young type of vibe. Um Maybe I think that's what NCT Wish is maybe going for, more of a youthful type of vibe. Yeah, I liked it. It's definitely going to go on my playlist. It's a certified pop. But yeah, standout vocals. That one guy, since I don't know his name, I'm sorry. I don't know what part was. What part was it? Bear with me. Bear with me. It was towards this part, right? Yeah, this part. Can somebody please tell me who that is? Because I like his voice. It sounds like very unique. You know, very unique. I like him. But yeah, I'm gonna listen to the next song and see if I like it more. It's their first comeback. And again, I did the Japanese version. The Korean versions had more views. But I don't know, I didn't want to listen to the Korean version, so here I go. I'm gonna like the videos. Let's go. This is called Songbird. I do remember when this came out because I think I saw like it being advertised on Twitter, like the fans advertising it, but I never heard it. I never heard it. Hello. Oh, English captions. It's like what the heck? How did I shift all the way here? Hello? Okay. Oh, blue hair. Uh, I love when idols have blue hair. Very much so cotton candy. Hello, the tiny items. I have the hiccups, I'm sorry. Oh, save me.
Feels good.
What? Hello. The one item. I'm sorry. One item in the box. This is Raikou? Is it? I hope I'm saying his name right. Okay, choreo. Hello, dance break. Do you hear that? Oh my god. I'll talk about it. But yeah. I like this chorus. Oh. That was cute. Whoa. That was cute. Okay, I will say that was more up my alley than Wish. I don't know, this was way more up my alley. I like this one more. But it was really good. Wow. Wow, wow. Um, I need you guys to tell me. I need somebody to tell me who this is. Who is this? What's his name? uh please. Please. um I think he stood out the most to me in this music video. The rap also was pretty good. Like, I don't know why. The first song, like, I think it had a rap portion, but like it didn't really stick out, but this one really did. And like I really liked it because it went with the song. You know what I mean? Like some songs they have rap portions, but it does not go with the song. Like this wasn't needed. This I can feel like it needed it. I liked that. This music video, what was happening? I don't know, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. Um, these outfits are also so cute. I really like this song. I really do. This is definitely one of my best playlists for sure. I don't know why this reminds me of Santa Slay. Is that what they're doing? Like, okay. But yeah, I liked this one. I did. So please tell me who those two members are. The blue haired one from this song, and then the last one, whoever did like the bridge, I think it was, and that one. Please. Also, let me know if I was saying Raiku's name right. Like I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I definitely want to tap more into their music, especially if it's gonna sound similar to this concept. Like right now, I'm not saying like noise music, which is fine. I love noise music, but like I need like fresh concepts every now and then, in my playlist. So that's what it is given. That's what this is giving. You know what I'm saying? Also that one portion, I can't rewind it because I really don't remember where that portion was, but it sounded like vinyls being scraped. You know what I mean? Like the DJ booth thingy. Look, my mom would be so disappointed that I can't say what I'm trying to say. Turntables, the turning tables, something like that, which is really cool to me. I see a lot of 90s rap aspects in their instrumentals, which makes sense from an SM group. Because SM, a lot of 90s black music inspiration. So that's what it gives to me, like the instrumentals, the music wise. Not like, the song, the background music. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I really liked it. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please let me know like anything I need to know about this group because I thoroughly enjoyed it. I will be back. I wanna like watch a guide or whatever as well, so maybe I'll watch that. But I'm very interested. I'm very interested. So thank you to the code video for making me want to check out this group. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.